Where she gone? Shadow her!
The man with the Spanish right hand stands the red below winning ingredient house and this is so hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Wanna understand the seriousness of the situation? It's an agency apps not just mash up, you know. It's an agency link who not just stab, you know.
Agency link, my police.
You know what I say? The boy the face look familiar though.
Xpressionz. I never tell you say I gonna make you know when I run the operation over here. Never know say that the type of operation. I think a squad car patrol the area.
You talk about butcher. We're not regular police, you know. Not like the little one them were out a road there, so. We are an agency. Me no beg you to say give me a week.
Let me tell you what go on. I something go hold for me youth in the town, you hear that? And I see a little puss kitten move, you know. So I just call me dog them, you hear that? Because I don't like him move. So if you go blame nobody, blame me, you hear that?
Blame you? You go serve the time for butcher if anything happen to the youth. If anything at all happen to him, remember a butcher go serve the time. Gentlemen, a whole heap of things me have to answer for now, you know. All me do is ask you know. If you just allow me to run my apps, because I don't want to get involved in it.
Miss Bishop, you understand say our town?
Let me ask you a question. Where your badge there? Where your license for your arm there? All me do a beg you for stay out of agency business.
The youth there. The youth there agent. The youth the face look familiar, you know. His face look like one of the Asian there with the fire shut off of me, you know.
You know say you're right.
So what that? A criminal that run up phone now.
Yeah. Are the Asian youth, yes. But here what? We have to use a criminal to catch the criminal. And now, me go treat Uno like Uno a criminal. You see, next time I forward over here, so, is to make Uno know if him dead or alive. And you see if him dead, it's a different conversation we're gonna have.
Bad man. You know the whole thing. By the time them forward and lift clutching my friend.
Yeah, and the cat and mouse thing still in her youth. She asked to give her a week. And a week violate that. So we have to go just face the consequence. See?
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna make one face the consequence of my action.
Butcher, look like you drink mad puss. Piss you. I know so we roll, brother. Anything we are go down, all are we in at this. Yeah, forward.
Alright. Oh, you don't move now. How are you? Come on. How are you? Just pass. How are you?
Just a pass through. I'm just moving round there, sir.
You understand what? You understand her name?
Slowly, my friend. Drop your weapon. Karen Lindo, aka Cheese. We need for talk. We're bitter day. Because of you, the person we work with will get stabbed. So we need to know who you work with and who name bitter.
No, bad man, sir.
What you mean?
See? Lisa, now come on. Clear.
Him round there? Must say if him round there.
Supposed to run.
Say I get the rest of phone them today, dog.
Just when you go around there, you want to stand up and don't say a word. One.
Yeah, man, you chat, yo, bad man, what kind of style that dog? Yeah, sneak up on man, so. Where phone them there? Yo,
You're a bit of feds.
Don't even think about it.
Oi! Come now.
Take the kerchief off your head.
Tonian.